How to pre-order Crumbl cookies for pickup. So here is how to do it. First of all, open any web browser on a device. Then in search address bar, type down order Crumbl and hit enter. Once you do so, all you have to do is scroll down and there you will get to see official order crumbl.com option available. Tap on it and navigate. Now here you can see delivery and pickup. Click on the pickup, and once you click on the pickup, you will have to choose your nearest store, pick a time, select cookies, then pay online. That is how easy it is. Crumbl is not available on my country a reason, but if you do, then choose your nearest store by typing down, pick a time, select cookies, and then pay. Your order is tied to time slot you pick. Bakeries bake cookies when you check in. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.